Did you know that the A17 Bionic chip in the iPhone 16 contains billions of tiny transistors? Or that the OLED display, crafted with incredible precision, brings every pixel to life with stunning clarity? Today, the iPhone 16 is not just a phone. It's a technological masterpiece made possible by cutting-edge components from around the globe. But are you ready to uncover how these incredible parts are made before they come together in the iPhone 16? Hit that like button and subscribe to Produce Planet. Let's get into it. The iPhone's journey is a story of constant innovation. It all started back in 2007 when Steve Jobs introduced the first iPhone, a device that combined a phone, an iPod, and an internet communicator into one groundbreaking product. This wasn't just another gadget. It completely changed what people expected from their phones. Over the years, Apple has built on that revolutionary foundation, introducing game-changing features like the App Store, Face ID, and Night Mode. With every new model, the iPhone has set the standard for what a smartphone can achieve. Now with the iPhone 16, Apple is pushing boundaries again, not just with the phone itself, but also with how it's made. For more than a decade, most iPhones have been assembled in China, with Foxconn's enormous factory, nicknamed Phone City, leading production. This factory is so massive, it employs over 350,000 workers and can churn out up to 500,000 iPhones every single day during peak times. But the world is changing, and so is Apple's strategy. Rising labor costs and global tensions have pushed Apple to diversify its manufacturing. That's why the company is now expanding production into India, a country with a booming tech industry and a workforce ready to take on the challenge. In Karnataka, India, Apple and its partner Foxconn are building something extraordinary, massive new factory complex that spans over 300 acres. But this isn't just any factory. It's more like a small city, complete with dormitories for workers, restaurants, shops, and even its own public transportation system. By creating a hub where everything happens in one place, Apple is cutting down on transportation costs, speeding up production, and providing thousands of job opportunities. It's not just a win for Apple, it's a huge boost for India's economy, cementing the country's growing role in global tech manufacturing. But the story of the iPhone 16 begins long before it reaches the factory floor. It starts in Cupertino, California, where Apple's top engineers and designers come together to bring bold ideas to life. This is where every detail of the iPhone is dreamed up, analyzed, and perfected. For the iPhone 16, the process began with brainstorming sessions that explored every possibility. From rough sketches to detailed 3D models and prototypes, each idea was tested and refined until it reached Apple's high standards. Every curve, edge, and feature was designed not just to look sleek, but to feel natural in your hand and work flawlessly. What's inside is just as important as what's outside. The team planned every detail of the internal layout with incredible precision. Critical components like the A17 Bionic chip, battery, and advanced camera system were carefully positioned to ensure they fit perfectly, while keeping the phone slim, durable, and efficient. It's not just about packing in parts, it's about making them work together seamlessly in a way that only Apple can achieve. Designing the iPhone isn't just about hardware, it's also about how it interacts with software. For the iPhone 16, Apple's team worked on making iOS feel as natural as possible. They tweaked features like haptic feedback to align with the phone's weight and build, ensuring every swipe and tap feels smooth and intuitive. The result? A device that's not just powerful, but also incredibly satisfying to use. Once the design is set, it was time to source the materials. An iPhone is a global product, and the materials that make it come from all over the world. Take the aluminum for the phone's body. It's sourced from mines in Australia and Canada. What's remarkable is that Apple has shifted to using recycled aluminum, which reduces environmental impact without compromising quality. Then there are rare earth elements. These tiny but crucial materials power features like speakers and motion sensors. They're responsibly sourced from China and other regions to ensure quality and sustainability. For the battery, Apple relies on lithium and cobalt from countries like Chile and the Democratic Republic of Congo. These elements go through rigorous processing to meet Apple's high standards, ensuring that every battery is long-lasting and safe. Apple doesn't just stop at finding the best materials. It also makes sure they're sourced responsibly. Every supplier is held to strict environmental and ethical standards. Apple is so committed to sustainability that by 2030, they aim to use 100% recycled materials in every product they make. For the iPhone 16, this means more recycled aluminum, less reliance on newly mined rare earth elements, and smarter recycling of old devices to reclaim valuable materials. This focus on sustainability doesn't just help the planet, it's also about creating a better product. Using recycled materials doesn't mean cutting corners, it means finding innovative ways to make the iPhone 16 lighter, stronger, and more environmentally friendly. From the polished aluminum frame to the advanced battery inside, every part of the iPhone 16 reflects Apple's vision for a future that's both high-tech and sustainable. But sourcing materials is just the beginning. Once they're ready, these elements are sent to factories worldwide to be transformed into the components that make the iPhone 16 so powerful. Every part of the process, from the design table in California to the raw materials pulled from the earth, is a step toward creating the incredible device you hold in your hand. Once the raw materials are ready, they head to factories around the world to be transformed into the high-tech components that bring the iPhone 16 to life. At the heart of it all is the A17 Bionic chip, the iPhone's powerhouse, manufactured by TSMC in Taiwan. This tiny, yet mighty chip is a marvel of engineering, packed with billions of transistors that allow the iPhone to perform at incredible speeds. It powers everything from smooth multitasking to advanced features like machine learning, all while being energy efficient. Meanwhile, the OLED display, which makes the iPhone screen so vibrant and sharp, is created by experts at Samsung and LG. Creating these displays is no small feat. It involves layering organic materials with pinpoint accuracy to achieve the perfect combination of brightness, color depth, and responsiveness. Every pixel is meticulously calibrated, ensuring the display not only looks stunning, but also consumes as little power as possible, extending the phone's battery life. The iPhone's camera system, known for its professional-level quality, relies on sensors from Sony. These sensors capture light with extraordinary precision, enabling features like cinematic mode, night photography, and optical zoom. Behind every image and video is a sensor that's been built with layers of circuitry, so fine they can process even the smallest details in both bright and low-light conditions. Other essential components, like the battery, microphones, and wireless antennas, are crafted by specialized suppliers across the globe. The battery, made by companies like Amperex Technology Limited, ATL, is designed to balance long-lasting performance with fast charging capabilities. Meanwhile, the antennas and sensors are crafted with equal care to ensure the iPhone stays connected and secure, powering features like Face ID and ultra-fast 5G connectivity. Before these components move on, each one is tested thoroughly. Quality control measures are strict, with inspections ensuring that everything meets Apple's standards for performance and reliability. This means only the best parts make it to the assembly stage. This brings us to where the magic happens, the assembly process. At Apple's cutting-edge factory in India and other facilities worldwide, humans and machines work together in perfect harmony. Advanced robots take care of repetitive tasks with incredible precision, like soldering tiny connections and aligning delicate components. They handle these tasks with speed and accuracy that would be impossible for human hands. This isn't just a robotic operation. Skilled workers play a vital role, focusing on delicate tasks that require the human touch. They assemble critical parts like the display and camera modules and carefully inspect each section for even the smallest imperfections. This collaboration ensures that every single iPhone is crafted with meticulous care, blending advanced technology with human expertise. Once the assembly is complete, the iPhone 16 undergoes a series of tough tests to ensure it's ready for anything life throws at it. Drop tests simulate real-world accidents, making sure the phone can survive unexpected falls. Water resistance tests check that the device meets high standards, proving it can handle splashes or even a brief dunk in water. Beyond the physical test, Apple runs countless checks on the iPhone's internal system. Software is tested under heavy use to ensure smooth operation without glitches. Connectivity features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular signals are examined to guarantee they perform flawlessly. Even the smallest details, like how responsive the touchscreen is or how accurate the sensors are put under the microscope. Then come the durability test. These evaluate how well the phone stands up to everyday use. Bend tests stimulate the stress of being in a pocket or a bag, while thermal tests expose the iPhone to extreme heat and cold to confirm it performs reliably no matter the condition. After passing these tests, the iPhone 16 is ready for packaging. Apple's packaging process is as meticulous as its production. The minimalist box design, made from recycled materials, reflects the company's commitment to sustainability while protecting the device during shipping. The unboxing experience is carefully curated, creating a sense of excitement and luxury for the customer. From the factory, the packaged iPhones are shipped to distribution centers worldwide. Apple's logistics network ensures that products reach stores and customers quickly and efficiently, whether through its physical retail location or its online store. This seamless distribution process is a testament to Apple's ability to operate on a global scale. The India factory is a big step forward for Apple. By using advanced robots alongside skilled workers, it's setting new standards for speed and accuracy. Apple is also staying committed to sustainability, with the factory running on renewable energy and working to reduce waste. Even as Apple pushes technology forward, it's staying focused on protecting the planet. The iPhone 16 isn't just a phone. It's a proof of what can happen when creativity, technology, and skill come together. From its design in California to its journey through production, every step shows Apple's commitment to making something truly exceptional. And there you have it, the incredible journey of the iPhone 16, from the bold ideas crafted in California to the best factories where it's brought to life. Each step, from design and sourcing to assembly and testing, is truly remarkable. The next time you pick up your iPhone, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process that makes it possible. And if you're curious about how other iconic products are made, check out our next video for more fascinating explorations into the world of factory production.